Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Pick and Surprise Peppa Pig playset. This is Painting Together. Here's Danny Dog. Arms and legs move. Peppa Pig with paintbrush and apron. She's ready to paint. You can flip the art easel to show the painting. Look, Madam Gazelle, do you like what we did? Oh yes, Peppa, it's beautiful. But now I want to give you a new assignment. And it's gonna be what you love the most. This time, you're gonna be making your own artwork. By myself? Yes, by yourself. What about me? You too, Danny Dog. Just use your imagination. What I like the most, huh? I'm done, Madam Gazelle. All ready, Peppa? Yes, ma'am. Let's check it out then. Wow, Peppa, that really is a work of art. So, what was your inspiration? You know I love muddy puddles, and muddy puddles are the best thing in the world. For this project, I'm gonna give you an A. Yippee! Here's how you can make your very own muddy puddle painting using Play-Doh. And it's done. Now you just stick to the painting. Take this one out and press. Easy, huh? We can do the same thing on Peppa's brush, just with a little bit of Play-Doh. And done. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Peppa Pig right here on Disney Collector.